going to serve ads across the internet, various the Google ad network or Google display network, across Google display network. It can be any website who have registered through AdSense, right? So mostly on basis of the keyword targeting or placement targeting. Have we discussed this keyword targeting, placement targeting? No, right? Okay. So mostly on basis of keyword targeting or display, the placement targeting or audience targeting. Okay, I'll be showing that as well now. Okay, so display marketing is also used for display marketing when uh, targeted for the website visitors. It's going to be highly effective and acts like a push marketing, and this is called as push marketing, showing ads showing ads to people who have already visited our website, showing ads to people who had made a visit in the past or have already visited is known as remarketing. Remarketing, or people also call it as retargeting. Showing ads to people who had made a visit in the past or have already visited the website, showing ads across the display network. Okay, so display network is not search engine but also can be across the display network and search engines. Across display network, search engines, display network, search engines, and search partners. To the people who had made a visit in the past or have already visited the website is known as remarketing or retargeting. So how do we launch these campaigns? We'll look into it. For that, the process is same. You'll have to visit. You have to. So let me refresh this. Retention marketing is different. Remarketing is different. Okay. So we are learning display marketing. So remarketing is part of display marketing. So remarketing is basically a display marketing, but instead of doing the target keyword targeting or placement targeting, if you pick the audiences who have already visited the website, then it's going to be remarketing, which is highly effective as compared to that of placement marketing or keyword targeting. Okay. So for some reason, it's taking a lot of time to load. Yeah. So I think we tried launching it. Anyways, we'll do it again. So when you click on plus, new campaign, new campaign. So here, first time we have learned launching the search campaign, and in this case, it's going to be display. The option will be clear. So here, in this case, also you just go with the website traffic, and yeah, continue. Here, it's going to be display. Okay. So let me take screenshot of this. Yeah. Click on display, and this is the web page people will go to after clicking your ad. You don't have to compulsorily provide it, but if you are providing it based on this, it might suggest you some keywords and ads. Convertdigital.com. Okay, so website traffic, display for maybe November class. I'll call it as November class. Continue. So start new. I don't want to start with the one which we had started earlier. So let me select India or any region that you want. Maybe if you want to select only Bangalore, you can go with that, or only pin code, you can go with that as well. So you can add the target or you can exclude the target. See, most of this, regardless of the type of the campaign, this will be same. Language is English. So let me proceed. Click on next. Set your average daily budget for this campaign. Let's say 100. I don't know if it's going to pick 100. That should work. Okay. Bidding. I want maximum clicks. So other optimization options. So I'll change it here. So manually set bids. View the equations, conversion value. Okay, here in the advanced. Maximize clicks. See why maximize clicks? If you are setting target CPA, they'll ask you how much do you want to pay. In the previous classes, we have discussed. So ideally, you can see they might ask you to pay 500 rupees or 1000 rupees or 2000 rupees. Or if you are setting it to 500 rupees or 2000 rupees, maybe they might take control of the traffic quality or couple of other things, or you might not get expected reach. So we know how to convert them better. Let's focus on the traffic, quality traffic. Let's get them to the website. Then we will look into it. What has to be set a maximum cost per click limit. So I'll set it as 4. Next. So optimized targeting is set for you. Don't go with optimized targeting. So optimized targeting is a way of communicating that they are doing it what is best for them. Do you want it to be happening, or do you want to take control of your? See, this option was not there when we see. I'm working for the last, using this platform for the last 12, 13 years, and this option was never there. And only in the recent years or in the recent times they have given this option in order to make more revenue. Okay, so targeting will narrow down, right, for them. So now this option they will show wherever, however they want. So let's not go with that ad targeting. So in display marketing there are multiple kinds of targeting. Okay, so audience and demographics, if you want to control or if you want to change it, see, such campaigns you don't have to bother about any of these things, because we are just concerned about whether the ad is going to be shown or not for my keyword, correct? We should be just concerned about it. I don't care whether this is searched by someone whose age is 50 or 25 or 100, or whether they is male or female. See, I understand if people are searching, they are in need of it, either for themselves or for their sons or daughters, or maybe for the friend, someone. They are searching the right keyword, using the right keyword that's related to the business. Hence, there is no point of you changing these things, audience segments, suggest who should see your ads, right? So I don't want to see. So if I want to promote the service, digital marketing services or agency, I can probably pick, let's say, business owners or maybe some other kinds of targeting. But let's not go with any of these things, because my targeting is purely this one. So I can delete this also. I'll remove this. better you can select all 29. Done. Okay. And demographics also same thing. So if you want to eliminate some of the age groups, some of the genders, see for example, if you are selling a product which is related to men, you can exclude women. If you are selling a product for women, you can exclude men. So that's when these options or the features will be useful for you, right? So, but my targeting is not these two also, but then since we have opened it, we are just going with the selection. My targeting is usually either keyword targeting. So, what happens in the keyword targeting? So, someone who is reading for how to grow the business online, my keyword. Okay, so digital marketing agency, digital marketing services. So this keyword input works in such a way, you're putting a condition that any article on the internet, any article on the internet. So for example, let's say, let me take one of the websites. Okay. Okay. See, I can put a word brand optimization. So what happens is here, whenever I put a brand optimization word, I'm telling show my ad on the articles wherever there is brand optimization. But it's not going to show on this website because we haven't added this website to display network. So if this network, let's assume this is part of display network, we have signed up on Google AdSense. Have we discussed Google AdSense? At least what is Google AdSense? Yeah, so we have discussed it. So if this is part of Google display network, there is a possibility of the ad shown by this campaign because brand optimization exists in this article, right? So basically what is happening in keyword targeting, target keywords or keyword targeting. So we are defining a condition, show my ad on websites wherever these terms exist. On the same website, I'll be going to another article, best digital marketing platforms or channels. So now since my target keyword is only brand optimization and there is no brand optimization here on this article, that won't be shown on this article. Okay. See, on the same website, ad will be shown on this article, but not on this web page. It's shown on this web page and not on this web page. Why? Because the keyword targeted is, we are telling that if the blog post or the content or the web page contains the brand optimization, then only you show the ads on those web pages. Now this website might have 1 lakh web pages. Of the 1 lakh web pages, 10,000 web pages will be talking about brand optimization. So my ad is going to show on, there is a possibility of showing it on these 10,000 pages because those 10,000 pages has brand optimization. Not only this website. Now let's take another website, some abc.com. So whichever is in Google's display network, it's not only about one single website, any website on the internet that has brand optimization in it and it's part of Google display network, the ads will get served on those websites. Got it? Yeah. Right. So this way I can have n number of keywords. So not just this keyword. So now this doesn't care, this cares whether the brand optimization terms exist or not. So now the ad would probably show on this article. See, brand optimization exists on this page as well. So the ad, in case if this is registered for Google AdSense, the ad will be shown on this web page and this website as well. The ad can be shown on this website or the ad can be shown on this website as well. Any website. Hello. Mhm. Okay, you got it right. Yeah. So any website on the internet, if that has brand optimization, the keyword that you want to show ad, and if that is in the Google Display Network, the ads will show. Maybe I'll take some other website as an example. So Silicon India. Okay. Kritika, Rohit, Parvati celebrates 100 episodes. Okay, white papers, blogs. Yeah. So now let's assume my tool. So we have, let's assume a tool or an application with us, which is related, which is a plugin for ChatGPT. Now I want to promote. So I can pick this keyword like ChatGPT. Wherever there is a ChatGPT, show my ads. See now, I can this can be my ad. So I am targeting the article which contains ChatGPT can show my ad. That is the keyword targeting. Okay. So where are we? Okay. So you understood. So display marketing. Yeah. So after display. Okay. So in display marketing, you can serve ads on basis of various targeting criteria. Okay. Number one, what is the first targeting criteria we went with? The where are we? This one. The first targeting criteria was segments. Segments will be such as the people interested areas, people interested in advertising and marketing, shoppers. So people are categorized based on their browsing history or details. Okay. So let me take segment screenshot. Okay. Based on audience segment, they fall into this interest criteria. Segmentation targeting. So the audience can be targeted based on the
Someone search for the keywords, you will get as a pop-up ad.
no, there is no keyword search here. So if they are browsing this article, if they are reading this article, the ad will be shown on this page. If they are reading this chat gpt, okay, so the article will be shown on this page. From this, if they switch to this article, the ad won't show up to them. So we are putting a condition: show an article, sorry, show an ad only when the targeted keyword exists on the web page. The condition is if the keyword exists on the web page, show the ad. Yeah. So now this page has something else, challenges of music or something related to music. Some other company must have, so this Ghana or some other app must be promoting ads. Show my ad wherever there is a music term on the internet, on the websites, whichever has music term on it, the web pages, whichever has music term on it. So people are reading about music here, and showing a music ad will be more relevant, correct? Correct. And now from this, let's switch to artificial industry is transforming. Somebody else has AI applications or AI tools or maybe something else. Now, those companies must be targeting show my ad on all the web pages that has technology or that has artificial intelligence in it. So automatically the ad shows up here. Okay, you got it right. Yeah, you all understood. Okay. Yeah, now, so segmentation targeting. So the audience can be targeted based on the interest segment. Okay. that they fall into. Okay. Okay. So now here I'll write one more. So you don't have to compulsorily select this if you are opting the other targeting criteria such as keyword targeting or placement targeting, and use this targeting to exclude the audience segments whom you think will never show interest in your product or service or content. Okay, so use this. For example, let's assume SEO and SEM service. Somebody who is interested in the segments, fall into the segments, will not show interest into my product or service. So you can exclude it. Okay, so demographics targeting. So in this method, so this option allows you to target by gender and age. You can exclude all those genders and age groups that doesn't show interest in your product or service. Okay, so let's have that screenshot as well. This is done. Demographics, edit it. Household income targeting is available only in selected countries. So this was available earlier, or maybe the ad accounts which are registered as US currency or maybe some other reasons. Even in those cases, you will be able to use that feature. Okay. Okay. So now for some products, so definitely, so let's say uh, a digital marketing course, maybe only up to 35 people might show interest, or maybe hearing aids, maybe above 55 years, or maybe hearing aids can be researched by their sons or daughters also, right? So but since this is pull marketing, so where you are pushing it to everyone on basis of assumptions, it's better you exclude those ages or genders which you think are not related to your product or doesn't show interest in your product or services, right? Okay, so household incomes you can exclude or consider what all these are. So there will be luxurious products, and you can go with someone who has got higher household incomes. Okay, so parental status, there will be some products which are related to kids, so not a parent, don't show it to them. Okay, so this way you can control all of these options or the features. So we have written this option allows you to target by gender, age, household income, and parenting status, right? You can exclude all those gender and age or gender, age, or age groups or any other criterias that doesn't show interest in your product or service. Okay, so now third one is keyword targeting. So what happens in this keyword targeting, you can decide to show ads on any web pages on the internet that has the terms or keywords that you target or related to your product or service. Okay, you can decide to show ads on any web pages of the websites registered, web pages of the Google Display Network. Ads on any web pages of Google Display Network on the internet is not needed. That has terms or keywords that you target, that you want to target or related to your product or service. Okay, so you can add them in phrase match or broad match or exact match. Okay, you can add the keywords in one of the match types as per the need. Okay, so now you have another type of targeting, that is the placement targeting. Okay, see here in the keyword settings, so look at this: audience, show ads to people likely to be interested in these keywords and also on web pages, apps and videos related to these keywords. Content, only show ads on web pages, apps and videos related to these keywords. See how smartly, so they will make you to, so people see they are showing this option as the first option. I don't know why this is not able to be picked. Audience keyword targeting is no longer available to show ads to people based on the keywords they are interested in. Create a custom. Okay, so you can go with this. So this is exactly showing ads to on web pages which has keywords. This is people who may have browsed these kinds of pages earlier, right? On basis of that, and so this optimized targeting will turn it off because this is going to work the way. Okay, we have to speak about this optimized targeting as well. Optimizing targeting helps you to get more clicks within your budget. Google may find beyond your targeting signals. Information such as your targeting signals, landing page, and assets are used to find people likely to click your ad. See, Google is deciding who might show interest in your website or the product or services on basis of your website. Google, we have given the website link. You know, remember all of you the first while creating the ad, right? So now, on basis of that, it decides to show. So let me optimized targeting. Okay. So in optimized targeting, the algorithm or platform makes a decision of showing ads to various audiences on basis of the learning about your product, websites, information, product or service. Okay, so Google purely in the algorithms control to who all the ad will be shown. So this might consume a and and the returns can be poor. Okay, there are there are chances of this performing well as well. Okay, hence you can hence you have to monitor this and take the action quickly. But if you are if you have deeper and better understanding about other targeting methods, always prioritize them as your targeting. Okay, that is optimized targeting. Okay, so Google automatically, the algorithm automatically decides to whom it has to be shown on basis of learning of your website. So where are the other kinds of targeting here? Topics. Before that, topics only. We can look into the topics. So what are these topics? Topics are basically choose topics to target many web pages, apps, and videos about a certain budget. So people are interested in arts and entertainment, autos and vehicles. So let's say my business is about selling spares or about cars or maybe something, or my product is related to beauty and fitness. You can go just with this. See, all these are again making options. See, someone who is interested in beauty and fitness, don't you think they will buy car, bike? Nothing. They will also buy. Correct? Someone who is interested in books and literature, don't you think they will eat biryani, kebab, that, this, and all? They will, right? So, see, now this is again kind of looks like, see, maybe mostly they must be browsing these kinds of websites the most is what this information is actually. Okay? They must be doing everything in their life, but they are more inclined towards these segments, but still it doesn't really make a great sense. Correct? So you can select all of them and you can push the ads if you want to. This is, see, display marketing or pull marketing is always like that. You make the assumptions and you have to push. So it's a great combination of targeting, great combination of ad messaging, how impactful your ad is. That's when your display campaigns will work super good. Otherwise they're not really going to get the expected outcome or good returns, right? So topics, so topics is basically your audience fall into this interest, they are interested in this. So the next time targeting is topics. The audience are more interested in these types of topics available under this targeting, and you can decide to show to the audiences based on the topics they are interested in, or you can exclude based on the topics they are interested in. Correct? So let me have a screenshot of that as well. Yeah. So then comes placement targeting. In placement targeting, you can pick the websites on which you want to show the ads. For example, I want to show ads only on IRCTC, and I can pick this website under the targeting criteria. Okay, so ads will be served only on this website, right? So the placement can be any website such as YouTube, can be any website including the YouTube and the YouTube channels, or specific YouTube channels or specific videos as well. Okay, so the placement targeting might work well when your business also falls into the same category. For example, showing a, a a bus travel company, or a cab rental company showing ad on IRCTC can be more effective and reaps good outcome as compared to the top showing an ad on training showing an ad compared to the showing an ad on any website that doesn't fall into the travel category, such as courses websites, beauty website, etc. It can be anything. So showing an ad or related to bus travels or car rental on IRCTC can be highly effective as compared to the showing an ad on some random website, correct? So that's how the placement works. Yeah. So let's see. Oh, sorry. So let's go to the placements now. Ad targeting, placements. Choose specific websites, videos, or apps. We have missed out on the apps. Okay. So for example, you can input the websites containing like this. So this website will always shows the website containing or speaking about recipes, and we can, so you can enter the specific website. For example, IRCTC. Let's say you have 100 websites. You can enter those 100 websites, and you can target only those websites. You can show ads only on those websites. Yeah. So it's taking time to load. Let's wait. Let me try this option. Enter multiple placements. Enter placement URL line by line or pasting. Maybe. Yeah. So this way we can enter the websites. So hope all of you are observing it. irctc.com. So if I know the websites, okay, maybe I'll browse. Yeah, see there are websites. I have put the term recipes, right? So it's showing all the websites related to recipes. I can select all of this. There are 474 something websites related to recipes. All these websites are have listed on Google Display Network, and hence they are showing up here. So in order to get them on the Google Display Network, they all must have signed up on Google AdSense, right? So this way I can select websites. All are related to cooking. Not only websites, look at this YouTube channels. There are more than 1,000 YouTube channels. Not just the YouTube channels. See, my ads will start showing on this YouTube channels now. So if you think some YouTube channel is very popular or the content is all about health, the diet, so you can start showing your videos or the ads on those YouTube channels. Not only channels, you can show it on specific videos. YouTube videos related to recipes. So look at this, or you can search the videos explicitly. So there is one video career options for housewives. I'm just trying to see if that it's going to pull that video or not. Since I had put the term recipes, let's see if that's going to. It should show because the search works in a different way. So you can. I'll just will wait for this to work. If not, maybe we can put that exact video only. We can target. So apps, mobile applications placement system require a search. App categories, Windows phone apps, Apple iPhone apps. So you can target the different apps as well. So maybe apps related to, let's put scan, okay, or apps, not scan here. Must have not type scan apps, and within apps, not matching results for this category. Okay, there are no app categories. So Apple. So look at this. Apps related to food, drink, entertainment, education. Yeah, there are apps related to various kinds of categories. So we can target the apps. Okay, different kinds of apps. So this way, the placement targeting works. You can target the websites or YouTube channels or specific YouTube video or the apps or apps by the category. So apps, maybe you have to type their app IDs or maybe some other details. Mobile applications not available for recipe category searches. If you had searched something else, games, you would have seen a lot of apps. But recipe related, there are not any apps as per this. There could be apps, but they may not have registered for Google AdSense. They are not in the Google Display Network. But there are apps by category, like different categories, sports, or maybe different categories, games, books, right? So this is also done. As of now, we are just selecting the websites. Yeah. So let's targeted placement. Let's take the screenshot of this. We haven't taken the screenshot, I guess. Yeah. Yeah. So in this, there's one more, that is the audience segment. Okay. So click on this audience segment. So here you can create new audiences. You can create the audiences of your choice. So these audiences are normally based on their browsing history or based on their interests, based on something like that, right? And you can have the audiences creating on your own, and those audiences can be people who has visited your websites. Okay, so I've clicked on audience manager. That has taken to me a place where that allows me to create audiences on my own. Okay, so let's explore those options as well, how to create the audiences, how to manage those audiences. Yeah, look at this. Let me take the screenshot of this audience manager. Must have taken the previous screenshot also. So last option is create the audiences. This is the seventh option. Create audiences, custom audiences. I'll call it as custom audiences. So you can create the audiences of your choice, such as people who has visited your website in the last 30 days, comma, people visited in the last 60 days, comma, people who have visited specific set of web pages, such as all jobs related pages on the website, or all the cart pages on the website, etc. So if people have visited the cart page, uh, people, you can also target people visiting any specific one page on the website. Okay, so this also includes targeting of people visiting your YouTube channel. Okay, so this way you can target. See, that's how. So if you have visited any so if you have visited any ticket booking website, flight ticket booking, so it again shows exactly the same thing. So if you have browsed any phone or any filter, any washing machine, any refrigerator, again you will see the same ad on Facebook, or maybe on any wherever you go, right? So that is custom targeting. So there will be information of you browsing the web pages on the website. On basis of that, the ads can be shown. That is custom audiences. Okay, so when ads are served based on this custom targeting, the campaigns are considered to be as remarketing ads. Okay, they are the remarketing ads. Okay, so you can, your targeting can be any one of the above, or can be a combination of multiple, can be a combination of two or multiple targeting criterias. Okay, hope it's clear for you all. Yeah. Okay, so next let's proceed next. Okay, so yeah, here how to create audience segment. So create on plus, so look at this, create on plus, and you will get to see all these options. So I will write as creating custom audiences. So click on the plus mark as seen in the above image. A new window will open which comprises the following options. Yes, which comprises the following options for you as in the below image, right? So look at this: website visitors, app users, YouTube users, custom list you can upload, and any list from the Google Analytics as well, or a custom combination of this, right? So you can create the audience list for website visitors, app visitors, or YouTube channel or video visitors. Okay, you can also upload the email IDs and create the combination of all or some of them. Okay, your custom audiences can be based on the audiences and goals created on the analytics as well. Okay, so this is how custom audiences are created. So website visitors, segment name, all website visitors. See, you can create visitors of web pages, visitors of page with specific tags, visitors of all web pages. Okay, or you can create any web page contains, for example, let's say cart, any web page that contains books, any web pages that contain something else. You can define that condition also. We'll see all website visitors first, last 30 days, or you can take 60 days, 90 days, something like that. Add action, so add to cart website, web page visit, 30 days of add, switch to end. So our action is somebody must have visited the web page or have visited my cart page. All can be targeted. Somebody must have compulsorily visited my website and have also visited the cart page. For them, I am going to show the ads. So not just for someone who has visited my website, but also must have visited the cart page. For these people, I will show a different type of ad. For someone who has visited my website, only website, I'll show a different type of ad. Right? So this way you can narrow down the targeting criteria. Okay, so exclude people who have taken the following actions. So somebody has made the payment and it shows payment success. I don't want to show ads to those people. Web pages list, search, payment, success. It's not there on this website. Okay. Pre-fill segments with people from last 30 days. Description, add a segment description optional. You can define it. So I am excluding cart page people who have made payment, and I'm considering people who have visited my web pages and also have visited the cart page. That's the description of this. So let me add the screenshot. Yeah. Creating website visitors. Okay. So you can pick all the web pages and name it as complete website visitors. You can pick specific web pages based on the term or tag in the URL and call them by the respective names. Okay, you can also create a or and and condition set of web pages or audiences visiting web pages and target only those people. Are you understanding it? Okay. This, this is about creating the custom audiences. Okay. So there's so many options to explore and understand here. Okay, cancel. Let's go back. We have the targeting, all the targeting set. So let me just go with the next. So we don't have to set all the targetings. It can be one type of targeting or combination. Okay. So here your ad can be a text. So usually the display marketing we pick the text ad. In odd cases, so it also takes the text and it serves only the text as well. Okay. So digital marketing agency headline, you can add multiple headlines. This is same like again the search ads. Okay, so usually what we do is we upload the images here. We upload the images in different sizes. Okay, so here images we can upload it from our computer. Suggested upload. Yeah, I can pick multiple images like this. So these are all coming from the website. So I have provided the website URL, right? On basis of that, it's suggesting some of the images. Okay. So or I can browse the other URLs of the website and I can add them as well. And free stock images, I can pick it from this place as well. Maybe something like this. Save. Okay. So you see there's so many images added and you will get to see the preview of the same as well. Same here as well. So let me add business name Canra Digital. So you can upload the logo. So the preview is getting ready. So to see this, you need to add square image, but this is available. This is how it looks. See, digital marketing agency, a full fledged. This is how you see. See, you see this. You must have noticed ads by Google. So exactly this is how you will see. You have to give the link open will. Open can be read more or it can be anything, and it will take you to the respective website, and you have to update all those details here. The destination link, the description we haven't updated. Yeah. Yeah, again, one more description. So, yeah, there are so many things to update. Headline, I'll give. I'm just adding some random whatever it's showing. This is not properly planned. So, usually, what we do is we limit, we come up with the creatives developed with the proper content over them, okay, the proper information over them, okay. So we'll upload those types of creatives 90% of the times. For best performance and outcome, we upload the creatives, yeah. And it's all set to go. You have to upload couple of details like exactly how we did while creating the search ads, and you can submit it and make sure there are no issues or errors. See, you can have the video as well, since if you're selecting YouTube channels, you can run video as well as text both, okay. So you have an option to upload the videos as well. It's not that you have to upload, you can take it from your YouTube. So, or you can directly type that URL or link and automatically it shows. So best options, you can select any video, so this video gets promoted on other videos. It's not you are targeting this video will be promoted on hundreds of places, okay. Maybe let's take. So, anyways, there is a separate YouTube video marketing as well option, video ads as well, and here also you can pick one of the video master affiliate marketing. I'm hoping that this shows up the recent, yeah, this one that which we published, 64 minutes. So I can pick this. So it's generating the preview. See, this ads will be served on YouTube and Gmail as well. You must have seen on the Gmail how they look. YouTube, this is a static ad, how this it looks like. Yeah, yeah, done. So create ad creation next. So confirm it's you to keep your data safe. Please confirm that's that it's really you. Okay. So I'll have to confirm the email ID. Poor internet connection. I guess it's taking time. So on verification, this ad gets published. So I'm trying to verify this. Let me cancel and resend it. Yeah. So the verification is done and the ad gets submitted. Yeah. So this is all done. So once you submit, so the platform will start reviewing your ad for its quality. The creative should not have too much of text. So any issues with the sizes, any grammatical mistakes with the headlines or with the descriptions or anywhere, non-functioning URLs. So for all that, it will start updating. Sorry, it will review against all of that, and you will it might accept it or it might suspend the ad. Okay, so that's about the display launching the display campaign, right? So launching other types of campaigns is also mostly the same, right? This kind of targeting, different kinds of targeting. Okay, so just that Google had back to a decade or back to several years, they had just search campaign and display campaign. That's the option. Eventually, as they acquired YouTube and various other platforms, and they started reading the end user as well, and accordingly they just trying to play with the options. They sound like giving more options or opportunities for the user. It's all the same. Okay, but however we'll be looking into all of those features or the campaign types as well. We'll be launching them in the next class. Yeah, you all understood, right? We'll be winding it up for today. Yeah, thank you.